If you're new to tools, these drill bits look the same. But they're not. Using the wrong one can break the bit, burn the material, or just not work at all. Let me show you the difference. Super simple. This one is a wood drill bit. See the sharp point in the middle? That tip helps it grab the wood and stay centered. On wood, it cuts fast and clean. You don't need force, just let the bit do the work. If you try this on metal or concrete, it'll just slip or burn. This one looks dull, and that's on purpose. This is a concrete or masonry bit. That flat tip is made to crush concrete, not cut it. For brick, block, or concrete, this is the one. If your drill has hammer mode, turn it on for concrete. If not, it'll still work, just slower. This one is a metal drill bit. Notice, no sharp point in the center. It's designed to shave metal, not bite into it. This is what you use for steel, aluminum, brackets, frames. Go slower, steady pressure. And no hammer mode on metal, ever. One wrong bit can ruin your job in seconds. Use the right one, and drilling becomes easy.